Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Supta Vajrasana. This asana stretches your hips, thighs and abdomen and also expands your chest. To practice from Dandasana, fold your legs and sit in Vajrasana. Now separate your legs and place your buttocks on the floor. Now with the help of your elbows, slowly lay down and place your hands on your thighs. Maintain with normal breathing. Now with the help of your hands, slowly come up, come to Vajrasana and slowly release both the legs in the front and relax. Please do not practice this asana if you are suffering from severe knee pain. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.